Yeah.
Yeah.
Sean B. Aguilar.
Aguilar.
Ha. Straight music.
Great music.
Yo. Yeah, we all cool, Paul, anybody can get it. Winchesters, Remingtons, any shot it, I hit it, yo. Dress sloppy, but my rap is dapper. Watch Rosewood go outside and slap a cracker. Yo, various styles and various hot shit. Killed a nigga on the train with Barry Slotnick, Duke. Bottom line, you ain't ready for ruck. Where your girl, Duke, I'm ready to fuck. Through the knowledge I'm ill, especially when the guard swallowing pills. Spaz out on your bitch while she gobble my deals. All my niggas with the drama for real. Ruck, dread, Aguilar, body armor and steel. Suave in the field, untouchable. Sean Connors got killed. Y'all niggas chill for your mama get killed. Yo, what? Untouchable. Sean Connor got killed. Y'all niggas chill for your mama get killed. Yo.
And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. My niggas keep rising to the top. And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. All my niggas keep rising to the top. All my niggas. Everyone, welcome to the gangster world of Aguilar, where it's me and my niggas, my bitches, my guns, and my cars. My dogs don't kill, they'll kill these rap stars. I like riding around with a gangster broad. I'm a gangster dog. Go with the shotty, yo, I'm shaking y'all. Wind up in prison, no thanks to y'all. Come back to the block, then I break your balls. Get murked right on the spot so we don't have to brawl. Listen up, Paul, don't fuck with Aguilar. None of these niggas can never see the catalog. I don't give a fuck if it's digital or analog. I flip to any style, Paul, press record. Give me a million, that's how you bless the Lord. Bullshit me, I won't even step to y'all. Consider this shit, this is what I left with y'all. Look at all the hot shit that I kept with y'all. And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. My niggas keep rising to the top. And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. All my niggas keep rising to the top. All my niggas.
I love spitting raps and flows. I love getting stacks of dough. Like I love hitting rats and hoes. I'm in the club with a stash of yo. While you bumping me, guard, acting up in front of company, guard. Got some shit up in the trunk of my car. We can fight right now, you get lumped in the bar. Bottom line, Duke, fuck who you are. Spit 2 gym stars out my mouth, give you a couple of scars.
The flame from Ruck and Aguilar, and Lenny and Spitley. We come through like this in Brooklyn, my niggas open shitly. My niggas like Blick Street that be reppin' with me. My nigga Ike guys, yo, I call him Ike Italy. It's Aguilar, featuring Sean Pritley. We don't waste no time, we take care of this quickly. For real, my nigga, it's about to get off the Hitley. For shitly, you know where I'm at, my nigga hit me. They got me with me, through the streets I move swiftly. You on war with a nigga, Paul, then come and get me. And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. My niggas keep rising to the top. And we gon' give this all that we got. Blow the spot, keep rising to the top. All my niggas keep rising to the top. All my niggas.